Welcome to my channel to watch more creative videos on OpenAI using Python. We have seen one video of integrating OpenAI using Python, basic video of OpenAI. So today we are going to see how to generate text using OpenAI using API. So let us go through the program. So module needs to be imported OpenAI, then API key. I have struggled a lot for this part. Then client, you can generate text by calling this client create function, and message in the sense, and this GPT-40-mint, it is used for simulates conversation between user and assistant. Now I will execute the program to generate the text. Yes, you will see what did the scare. So this text is generated. Now another text is generated. Now yes, another text is generated. Yes. So I successfully done with text generation using OpenAI. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on OpenAI. This technology is little bit new. I am struggling a lot for these videos. So I will be back with videos on machine learning attendance system, face recognition, face detection, stimuli, fast API, then supervised learning, unsupervised learning. So for latest update about Python, keep watching my channel sanjaymahajanyoutube.com on YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.